Please, I want to borrow 20,000 naira from you. Eh? I will give it to you next week. Just 20,000. Baby, I swear to God, I don't even have up to 200 naira in my account. But I sent you 50,000 yesterday now. I used it now. I used it already. See, baby, I don't even have up to 200 naira in my account. I've not even eaten since morning. Yes, see, I don't even know how to explain. It's been a lot since yesterday. It's been a lot. I was even planning to call you. Maybe you will give me 30 or 40,000 naira so that I can keep for my food money. I don't even have any money again.
Continue.
My hair that I just made. I've not even paid the woman. The NEPA bill. The NEPA people. They are disturbing me already to pay the NEPA bill. Even my mom. My mom has been calling me. She's been sick now.
Will you keep
And my
quiet?
younger brother in school. They're disturbing me. It's been a lot. It's been a lot. So, babe, please, can I get